Today we will show you how to apply the X.Glas Plus screen protector using the Easy Align frame. Inside the package, you will find the application frame, cleaning kit and the tempered glass. Let's get started with the application. Open the cleaning kit containing the alcohol wipe, cleaning cloth and dust removal stickers. Take the alcohol wipe and clean the device of all smudges and dust. Then, use the microfiber cloth to wipe the screen dry. Place the application frame on the device with the symbols on the top facing upwards and aligned with the top of the device. Make sure the frame is fitting firmly on the device. Use the sticker to remove any dust that may have settled on the screen. Now, remove the tempered glass from the back plate and place it inside the frame by aligning its top with the top of the application frame. Swipe your fingers down and across the tempered glass to activate the adhesive. Once the tempered glass is applied correctly, remove the application frame. If you notice any air bubbles, use the microfiber cloth to firmly push them out until they disappear completely. If you see any dust particles, carefully remove the screen protector partially from the nearest edge without touching the adhesive side. Then use the sticker to remove the dust. Once all the dust particles are removed, let the tempered glass settle back on the screen and then push out the air bubbles. Finally, clean the screen and we are done. X.Glas, the ultimate in glass screen protection. From the house of Gadgetshieldz, the trusted name in device protection.